In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Alt key not working in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you can do is a ghost reset. So sometimes the Windows input driver loses track of the physical Alt key state. So using the virtual version often wakes up the hardware. So what you want to do is press the Windows key and then Control and then O together, and this is going to open up your on-screen keyboard. Then click the Alt key on the screen twice. So I'm going to press it twice, and that's going to usually reset the software handshake and fix it immediately. What you could also do is press Windows key and U together, and that's going to open up the accessibility settings like so. And then all you want to do is go ahead and select keyboard, which is going to be towards the bottom. Ensure sticky keys and filter keys are both disabled, and then that should definitely help as well, because sometimes they can, basically block Alt or Control. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.